Hello everyone, Timothy Brazzel here with the Drone Company, back again with another video at the UAV 2024 Commercial Drone Expo. I have the privilege of interviewing Niles here, and he has some cool technology, cool tech that I'm going to allow him to talk to you guys about and share with you all his company, his brand, because I think you will like this one. Niles, good morning, how you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Good, good. So, tell us who you are, who you represent, why you're here.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, everybody. I'm Niles. I come from China, and we are the Srizfly drone simulator maker. And our Srizfly simulator is a professional drone training software, which is widely used in the industrial drone application, like power line inspection, fire rescue, and oil and gas, which can reduce your cost and save your time. Thank you.
I tell you, everything that Niles said is true. I personally tried the simulator. It's literally like flying a regular DJI drone. It's that intuitive, it's that seamless, it's user friendly. And so Niles, tell us, is there anything new that you guys are offering with this simulator, or anything else that's coming down the line that we should be aware of?
Okay, we will have the training course to the beginners, and also we have the professional training to the industrial users. So you can have a try. Not only architecture and power line inspection, we will have oil and gas and everything you want.
Wow, that's awesome. Niles, last question. If anyone, any companies, any individuals want to reach out to you guys in regards to your simulator services, how can they go about contacting you?
Okay, we have a website, and you can download it, and we can supply the trip lessons. You can try it for free.
Wow, Niles, thank you so much, man. It's a pleasure meeting you, and I look forward to trying this myself some more, because I do want to, the one thing that I don't have a whole lot of experience in is the enterprise sector of drones. And so I think this gives us and many other customers and end users a easy entry to learning and educating themselves of how to fly an enterprise drone and learning the information that they need to do it in the real world. So great job, Niles. Thank you so much for your time. All right, that's it. We'll see y'all in the next one. Stay tuned.